Hey everyone, it's Macy, and today I'm going to be doing a video of how to make cutoff shorts from jeans. These are Hollister jeans and they don't fit me because I was a size 25 and then I lost weight, so I was a size 24, and they don't fit. Like, they fit on my legs but they don't fit on my waist. So I had to get new jeans and these don't fit. I had two pairs, actually I had three pairs, but maybe four, but the other two were jeggings, so they still fit, but the jeans don't fit. So these are from Hollister, and I'm gonna cut them into like cut off shorts, and I'm gonna make a video about it. And there's two like ways that these could come out. You can make them like frayed on the bottom, like real cutoffs, but I actually sewed mine like because I like them how they're rolled up, so that's what I did. That's what I did to mine. But in the video you'll learn how to do both, so let's get started. So first you're going to put on the jeans and use a pencil to mark where you want to cut them. Remember to not cut too much because you can always cut more. Then I just took off the jeans and made sure the lines were straight across. And next I cut one leg and then folded it over and cut the other leg so that they were both the same. Now the shorts are cut, and obviously they don't look good like this, so you could use tweezers to pull out the white strings and to fray them, but you make sure you pull out only the white from underneath the shorts, not the blue, but that's how you fray them. However, I wanted to sew mine, so I rolled it up just one, and then I pinned them, so now I'm going to use my sewing machine to sew these up. After that, you can roll them up one or two. If you roll them up two, you won't see the sewing line at all. But I roll mine up one just in the video. When I wear them, I'll do it too. But yeah, they turned out really good, and I'm very happy with them because now they fit and I can wear them. And they're really comfortable and cute for any day. I know they're short, but I like short shorts, so I don't really care. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that your shorts turned out good, and leave a comment down below how they turned out. Also, you can show me them on Instagram. My Instagram name is Macy Hatcher, just Macy Hatcher, just like my YouTube. So is my Snapchat if you want to add me. Everything goes by that, except for my Twitter has 2 R's at the end of Hatcher because someone has my username, so oh well. But yeah, anyway, so I'll be filming and uploading more videos, so please subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.